parts of a coordinate plane. Let's go ahead and label what the horizontal axis is. The horizontal axis is the x-axis. The vertical would be my y-axis. Where those 2 points intersect, that is my origin, always represented with the ordered pair 0, 0. Next, I would label where my positive and negative would lie. Remember, it's just a number line. So when I go to the right of my number line, that would be a positive. When I go to the left of my number line, that would be a negative. And the same thing would apply when I'm talking about my y-axis. When I go up, that would be my positive, and when I go down, that would be my negative. Next, it is important to know each quadrant. The best way to remember this is by remembering the shape of the G, and I will quickly show you what that means. Starting with my quadrant 1 and wrap it around, it will form the shape of a G. So in this case, this will be quadrant 1, this will be my quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Let's go ahead